welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Divas, and if today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, guys, you are welcome. Please feel free to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you will get notified each time I drop a new video. And to my old subscriber, guys, thank you so much. I love you guys. So yes, if you want to join the online training class, just contact me via my Instagram page or via my WhatsApp. Yes, guys, below the description box, my Instagram page is there and my WhatsApp is also there, and up here my Instagram page is also here. So if you want to join the online training class, then you can contact me, then we can keep going. Let me be your skincare boss. So yes, guys, so today we are going to be making whitening oil. Yes, we are going to be making whitening oil, and this whitening oil is super strong. Okay, this whitening oil is super strong. Like, it's not your regular serum that we are missing. No, this one is a very strong whitening oil, and this oil should not be used on your skin directly. Okay, guys, this oil should not be used on your skin directly. And for most people that want to formulate products, that want to sell products, you want to learn how to make oils that you can use to promise your products, yes, this video is mostly for you. And yeah, this oil is just great, guys, but it is not advisable to use on the skin directly unless you want to add it inside your body lotion, you want to add it inside your scrub, you want to add it inside your soap, you want to add it inside your facial cream, stuff like that. And also, I will not really advise you to use this oil with, maybe you're making scrub, add it inside scrub. No, because scrub is just a wash off thing. Okay, you scrub your skin and you wash it off, and for your soap, it's just to take your bath that moment and you wash it up. But when it comes to making of lotion, yes, this oil is super great. Okay, this is a very strong raw whitening oil. So I'm going to be listing this oil, the names of this oil, and I'm going to be telling you their measurements, and I'm going to tell you how you can use it to promise your body lotion, to promise your body oil, and also to promise your whitening or lightening serum. Guys, let's start it. Okay, so the first oil that we're going to be using is the Egyptian raw oil. Okay, guys, Egyptian raw oil. Just write it down. Egyptian raw oil. This oil is really raw and also thick. See, guys, if you're buying your Egyptian oil and it is not thick, you are not getting the original Egyptian oil. That means they have mustard. Maybe they missed something, you know. Just get any Egyptian oil that is thick. Trust me, if your Egyptian oil is not thick, you are not buying the original one. You are buying the missy, because Egyptian oil is really thick. Like, you know, it's just like glycerin. You know, your glycerin is not that liquid. Okay, yeah, Egyptian oil is like that. So we are using Egyptian oil. And the other oil that we are also using is the Snow White oil. Just like I said before, Egyptian oil is thick, so Snow White oil is also thick. This oil are raw. Okay, this oil, they are raw oil, and this oil, they are coming from these are French countries. This oil, they are coming from these French countries like Cotonou, Abidjan, those places. That is where they are making this oil from. Very super strong whitening oil. And Snow White oil is also thick like glycerin. So we are using Snow White oil. And the other one again, we are using Filipino oil. Filipino oil is also thick like your Snow White oil. It is also thick like your Egyptian oil. So we are also using Filipino oil. And the other oil is the half cast oil. So this oil, they are all raw oil. They are all thick. Filipino oil, half cast oil, Snow White oil, Egyptian oil. This oil, they are raw oil and very thick. So if you want to make your whitening oil, get 50 ml of your Egyptian oil. Okay, 50 ml of your Egyptian oil, 50 ml of your Snow White oil, 50 ml of your Snow White oil, 50 ml of your half cast oil, then 100 ml of your Filipino oil. Okay guys, you use the half cast oil 50 gram, you use the Egyptian oil 50 gram, you will use the Snow White oil 50 gram, and the Filipino oil, you're going to use it 100 gram. Mix these three oils together. Filipino oil is strong, the half cast oil is strong, the Egyptian oil is strong, just that some may give you 2 shade lightening, others may give you 1 shade lightening, others may give you even 3 to 4 shade lightening. Okay, so they have their own super strongness. Okay guys, they have their own super strongness. That is why we are mixing these 4 oils together. Okay, the Filipino oil is really strong, really strong. It can give you up to 3 to 4 shade lightening. Okay, so the Snow White oil, I think the Snow White oil is 2 shades, 2 shade lightening, and the Egyptian oil is also like 2 shades lightening, 1 to 2 shade lightening. So using these 4 oils together, put them together and give it a really shake, and you buckle it. That is your hot oil. Okay, if you want to sell your whitening oil, you just put them together and you label it your whitening oil. Go to the market, sell your oil, and anybody that buys this oil and the person mix it inside a lotion, trust me, the person will come back and thank you. Guys, the person will come back and thank you. But one thing you're going to do, please do not add avocado oil inside like you want to dilute it. Do not add almond oil inside like you want to dilute it. Do not add carrot oil inside like you want to dilute it. No, just mix these 4 hot oil, this raw whitening oil, mix them together, shake it, because they have different colors. You can see, you can get the Snow White oil in a very reddish color. You can also get it in another color. Okay, so you mix these oils together and you buckle it. You just write it your whitening oil or whitening serum. So if you're selling it, you have to let the person know that, see, this oil cannot be used on the skin directly, or you just write it on the label that this oil cannot be used directly on the skin. Okay, so the person can only mix this oil inside a lotion, and the person is going to come back and thank you later. Okay, so if you mix these oils together, if you mix this oil together and you are using it to make your lotion, you want to make a whitening lotion, you want to make a lightening lotion, there is no need of adding too much of whitening oils or too much of whitening serums inside again. Okay, maybe you can add a liquid base serum inside your lotion, but don't go for the whitening one again, because you already have 4 whitening oils inside your product. So there's no need of you want to add, like we have the whitener oil, we have whitener oil. So if you're using, you don't need to add whitener oil inside again, because man, you have 4 strong raw oil that you want to mix inside your lotion. So no need of you adding extra oils like you want to get this benefit from this oil. No, if you're adding another extra whitening oils to this, you may be having green veins, you may be having stretch mark, because this oil are super strong. They are strong enough. Okay, so if you want to mix your 500 ml of lotion, you can get 100 ml of your whitening oil. When I said whitening oil, meaning you have mixed these oils together. You have mixed both the Egyptian, the Snow White, the half cast, the Filipino oil. You have mixed them together. Okay, so now you add them together, it is called your whitening oil. So now if you want to add it into your lotion, then you can get 100 ml of that oil and add it into your lotion. And if you add them into your lotion, no need of adding other oils again, like other lightening or other whitening serum. No, because this one can really do the job for you. Okay, this one can really do the job for you to be in a safer side. That is it. And if you want to use this whitening oil that we have mixed together to make any oil of your choice, maybe you want to make a lightening oil, maybe you want to make a glow oil, all you do, if you have 150 ml of your carrier oils, Okay, if you have 150 ml of your carrier oils, all you can do is to add your you can add your whitening oils into your carrier oils to make it a lightening oil. Okay guys, so let's just say you have 150 ml of your carrier oils, and your carrier oils can be carrot oil, orange oil, because these are already lightening oil also. Okay, let's just say you have your carrier oils in the form of, okay, you have a orange oil, you have your carrot oil, and you have something like papaya oil. Okay, these three oils, they are super lightening. They are for skin lightening, you know, very good lightening oils. So if you have those three oils, 150 ml, and you will now add like 50 ml of your whitening oil is okay. 50 ml of your whitening oil, mix it with your carrier oils, those lightening carrier oils, mix it together and shake it, buckle it. That is your lightening oil, guys. So you want to make a glow oil, you get your avocado oil 50 ml, you get your olive oil 50 ml, and you get your almond oil 100 ml, which is 200 ml of your carrier oils for your glow oil. 200 ml of your carrier oils for your glow oil. So what you now do, you add 50 ml of your whitening oil inside these carrier oils. Okay, if you add 50 ml of your whitening oil inside this your carrier oil, it will now give you that brightening. So it's not going to lighten you, because now we are using carrier oils that are not lightening. And now you now add your 50 ml whitening oil inside your carrier oils. It will glow your skin. It will bring out that brightness. You will see some skin, you will be confused. Is this skin lightening skin, or this skin is brightening? You know, some people, they get confused, like, this skin, I think she's light. Or no, some will say no, she's chocolate. Some will say no, she's just bright. So that is it. That is what this oil is going to give you. Okay, then you will see your skin glowing, shining. It's not going to take you to that extent of lightening. No, it's just pop out your skin, like it gets people confused if you are light in complexion, or what color you actually want, what color you actually have. Do you get? That is just it. So for the face, I really do not use whitening oil to make anything that has to do with the face, guys. Trust me, anything that has to do with the face, I don't use whitening oils. Prevention is better than cure. I don't want to try it. I don't want to risk it. Yes, I do. Sometimes I do mix products together and try it so that I will see the outcome, but no. My face has suffered a lot, so I don't want to try it when it comes to the whitening. So if you want to whiten your face, or you want to make a normal whitening oil for the face, just use normal whitening powders, carrot oil, papaya oil, orange oil, those kind of oils to make a lightening oil. But don't use your whitening oil to make any products that you have to put on your face, please, just to prevent I don't know, guys. So that is it. If you have any question, yes, come below the comment section, ask me question regarding this very video, and I'm going to put you through again. Guys, I hope you find this video very helpful, and I'm going to see you soon in my next video. Catch ya.